Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your profile on Tinder. I will show you some steps. So first of all, let's talk about what Tinder Boost is. Tinder Boost is a feature that allows you to make your profile one of the top profiles in your area for 30 minutes. During this time, your profile is shown to more people, which can significantly increase your chances of getting matches. To use Tinder Boost, open the Tinder application and making sure you're logged in. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and from the profile page return to the main swiping screen. So when you are this home screen, you can see this icons here, cross, arrow and this one. So you have to tap on this purple, the last icon beside this heart icon, tap on it. This is the Tinder Boost button. After tapping the boost button, you will see an option to activate a boost. If you have a free boost available, you can use it here. Otherwise, you can purchase a boost or subscribe to Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum, which may include monthly boosts. Once you activate the boost, your profile will be highlighted in your area for the next 30 minutes. You will notice a countdown timer on your screen showing how much time is left in your boost. After your boost session ends, you can review the results. Tinder will show you how many people saw your profile during the boost and how many new matches you have received. This feedback can help you understand the impact of your boost. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.